So this behind me is the Marina Phuket Hotel. It is gorgeous. Just across the road we have shopping things, which I have just brought all these from, and we will go into that later, but let's have a look at this hotel. This is the reception, and then just over here we have a little lounge part, which is really nice to see if you want to have a look at that.
So this is the lounge area with a lot of seating, and there is also toilets in this area. Also in the reception area there is the restaurant where you can have breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yes, we have showed the breakfast and we will put that in now.
Yeah.
We are currently at the breakfast that is included, and this is what they have. So it starts with baked beans and fried potato. We are here really at the end though. We have fried rice, vegetables as well, which is really good. Vegetable sweet sauce, looks nice. Then you got boiled eggs and soft boiled eggs, and chocolate and honey sauce. Pancakes and fresh toast. Just looks, oh yeah, there's one piece of it actually. Then you have fried egg, nice and simple. Omelette, but chicken sausage and chicken ham apparently. Spaghetti bolognese chicken, it's always nice. We did come the day before and Jacob did get diarrhea from it though. Chicken, oh, grilled chicken, nice. I would be worried to have that. Baked Spanish cheese and chicken, nice. There's Jacob getting orange juice. Fried chicken and garlic pepper, and then batong vegetables, which again, we are here really late though, so you can't actually see it all. Fried rice chicken and it's steamed rice. Then you have different types of cheeses, including cheddar cheese, which is nice. A few little sections of that. And then you have blueberry, strawberry and just plain yogurt as well. And then a few like salady bits like tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, lettuce. And then you have all like sauces that are here that you can see as well. Peanuts. And then you have cereal. And this is the bit I come to. You have watermelon and pineapple. And then you have a little toasting machine, and then pastries you can have. Juices are here. And then a noodle station as well, which is really nice. Thank you. And then a hot drink bit. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got yourself 2 pieces of bread and 2 donuts.
Yes.
I'm gonna have a little taste of that.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. And then I've got, as I said, my pineapple and cucumber. What drinks? Orange.
That's orange. I want you to test that and guess it and tell what it is.
Okay. I'm a bit nervous. Is it like raspberry or something?
No.
Am I gonna like it?
Yeah, it should do.
Okay. Let's see. I know it. Thank you so much. We've got the knives and forks now. I don't know what it is. What is it?
Can we tell you?
Yeah.
Grape juice.
Yeah, that's exactly. Do you know what? Now that you told me, that's exactly what it tastes like as well. Yeah, that's the little breakfast bit. So I'll see you when we go swimming, maybe? Yeah. Cool.
So from the reception here, you can go down here where there is the stairs and the lifts. And in the lifts, you do need your key card to make the buttons work. Now, let's go to our room and we will show you the room tour.
Hello and welcome to our room in Phuket, Thailand. We have literally just arrived this second, and we have actually been travelling for 25.5 hours, and we are running on 2 hours sleep.
Yes.
So if I say anything wrong, it's honestly not my fault.
I'm behind the camera as well, and I will be talking as well to help
because
out.
we need to help each other at this rate. So as soon as you come in, you obviously have here, which is a desk, a lovely TV. We've not done anything to anything yet.
No, we've literally
So
just got here.
everything you see, apart from our 2 bags and 2 suitcases and water bottle, is how you get it. So as Jacob has shown you, the water and coffee is free and included. The snacks and the mini bar, which
is in it?
is just down here.
Okay. That
Is
is not
not included, and there is actually a price bit on the desk.
Right there.
I'll insert a photo so you guys can see
Yeah.
that anyways. Then we have 2 beds, which is really nice. We have our own space.
Yeah, we like doing that.
Which, see, it's going to be amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Are they comfy?
They feel nice.
Yeah.
Not like really comfy. A little hard.
So
but
in
you
a
know
day, we'll want to go out
it's
and
gonna
explore.
Be... No. I think it's still really nice though.
Oh, okay.
And you have one bedside table between you with a phone on and a pencil and paper for some reason.
That's good.
Then if we go this way, you have a balcony, which we'll see in a second.
Oh, do you want to say, when we first came into the room, we were like stood here and we looked in and we were like, where's the bathroom?
Yeah, I was really worried.
We couldn't see that, it was way down here.
Okay, that actually terrified me a little bit because I was a bit like, have I actually booked a place with no
Bathroom.
toilet? Like, so you have
Yeah.
a little sit-in place here with 2 plugs, a massive mirror and a desk with the sitting thing,
Yeah.
obviously. Then you have the wardrobe, which if you want to look in there, I don't want to make a lot of noise. It has a lot of space.
With a safe.
You have the safe, some drawers, and a laundry basket and a hairdryer, which is nice.
Oh. That is very useful.
In case you want a torch, I don't
Okay.
know why you would.
Oh,
And
wow.
This is the bathroom. Really nice, full size.
That's massive, Charlotte.
Oh look, shampoo, conditioner,
Like, you can actually pick them up and take them.
and shower gel.
Wow.
I feel like they're going to be really nice.
Yeah.
You have the towels there as well. This is a 2 shower, so you get the actual one and this one.
And a
little
rainfall
soap
one.
place.
That's good.
Toilet, little
Glasses
hand
or-
towels,
Cotton buds
soap,
and soap.
shower.
Sure, this is a really nice little room, isn't it?
Let's see.
We haven't looked at it yet. Oh wow.
Oh
Let
my
me just hold
gosh,
onto my
it's
phone
just
more.
A drop.
Oh wow.
The
I
humidity
bet
here.
the view in the morning is going to be gorgeous.
We're on the 8th floor. Hold your phone. I do just want to say though, as soon as you walk out, the humidity hits you like bam.
Yeah.
So this is quickly what we got from just across the road, which will be across from your hotel if you stay here. These are just some elephant pants that I got, 100 baht each, and then this is the other pair that I got for my mummy. And this is them, 100 baht again. Then we got a really nice handbag, which was
100.
200 baht.
Yeah, 200
And
baht.
we got it for, I think 185 baht maybe?
Yeah.
We did like a little bundle, but this is so cute. It even opens up and has a zipper, and then Jacob got, which is in here, which was 250 baht. Some shorts with a matching shirt, which is really cute, and it's all elephant things. So
Yes, all black and white elephant.
should we go to the swimming pool upstairs?
Yes.
Rooftop swimming pool.
So floors 2 to 8 are just rooms, but now we're going to floor 9 to show you the gym.
Yeah.
On floor 9 there is the Body Fit, which is the gym and restrooms. So as you go down here, you see there is men and women, and then you go into the gym. So in a gym you have a nice sofa, some free weights, some machines, treadmills and bicycles, and yoga balls. It's quite a good equipped gym actually. So let's head up to the pool.
Which is what we actually want to do.
So at the top floor there is the Skyline Rooftop, which is the pool, lounges, some nice beanbag chairs, a bar, and also at night they do DJing and entertainment. Thank you. And we have got towels from up here as well. You can also get towels from
For free.
reception for the beach to take out with you.
We're now in the pool. Well, I am. Jacob takes
ages to get in.
Oh, it is cold until you get in the sun.
It's not. He's lying.
Ah,
It's nice.
it is very nice.
It's a very nice rooftop swimming pool.
Skyline rooftop swimming pool.
Yeah. Should we go for a swim?
Yeah.
We're just joking. We're talking to you now.
Okay, so that was a quick intro to our holiday in Thailand and a little tour of our hotel. We have got so much planned for this holiday, and actually, this is the end of our holiday, so we've already done it all, and it was amazing.
We
And
saw
we saw elephants.
elephants.
We went to James Bond Island. We went to Market.
We went to a boxing match.
We went to Bangla Road. We did so much, and we can't wait for you to see it. Hope you enjoy. If you do want to keep updated, make sure you press subscribe and press the bell button so you keep updated when they come out. And yeah, thank you. Bye.